Experience driving perfection in the 2008 Chrysler Sebring. With just over 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle invigorates its segment with sporty proportions, generous equipment, and exceptional safety. Chrysler made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 230 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Chrysler prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a power convertible roof, and power seats. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chrysler also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.